The controversial death of Sylvester Oromoni Jnr. in December 2021 is still under the spotlights. The investigating officer has told the coroner hearing the inquest that the investigation of the 5 senior students suspected of bullying and assaulting the deceased weren't concluded before they were released from a remand home on a court's order. This is despite a protest letter issued by the police command in Lagos to the chief judge of the state seeking a revocation of the bail granted the boys before the expiration of a 30-day remand order. Kemi Foladeyemo has the story.
The IPO CSP Bamidele Olusegun of the Homicide Department at the SCID Banti affirmed during his cross-examination led by a senior advocate of Nigeria, Femi Falana, representing the Oromoni family, that it was a, quote, rude shock to the police investigative team that while it was recording more statements from the 5 accused students where they were remanded at the boys' home in Oregon, their parents were arguing their bail applications before the chief magistrate that initially ordered their remand. But it concluded among its findings that a suspect had in 2019 been suspended by the school for inappropriate behavior, which includes spitting on a teacher. Another suspected senior was also found in 2019 to have been suspended for bullying and physically assaulting another student who has since left the school. Mr. Olusegun also told the coroner, Mikhail Kadri, that the police report concluded that it is evident that some group of students constitute themselves into a clique that bullies and intimidates fellow students in the school, and that the 3 schoolhouse masters, Valentine Igbokweze, Ahmed Ayomo, and Adesanya Olusegun, are negligent, passive, and fail to take decisive action when cases of inappropriate behavior are reported to them. This position was also reflected in an interim legal advice dated December the 30th, 2021, issued by the Lagos State Directorate of Public Prosecutions, stating that there are sufficient facts to establish the alleged offense of criminal negligence against the 3 staff, as well as one Selena Udwak, Mr. Adeyemi, and Dowen College itself for failing to address bullying and protect their students adequately. But the police officer said it couldn't proceed with prosecuting the school and the indicted staff after a second legal advice issued on January the 4th, 2022, stated that they wouldn't be charged for the said offense after all, owing to lack of evidence. The court sitting in Ikeja for the inquest adjourned to Tuesday, February the 22nd, for counsel for Dowen College, Anthony Bobo, and other counsel to cross-examine the police officer. Kemi Foladeyemo, TVC News, Lagos.